Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Begin by combining 1 cup water, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1/2 teaspoons salt, and 2 tablespoons unsalted butter in a saucepan, and bring to a gentle simmer. Remove from heat and stir in 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder, and 1 tablespoon red food coloring until the batter forms a smooth, cohesive ball. Let the dough cool for 5 minutes, then beat in 2 large eggs one at a time and 1 teaspoon vanilla until the mixture is glossy and pipeable for churro shaping. Fit a pastry bag with a 1/2-inch star tip, fill it with the red velvet dough, and pipe 3 5-inch strips onto a parchment-lined board for easy transfer. Pipe directly into the oil if you prefer. Heat 3 cups neutral oil to 350 degrees F in a heavy pot and fry churros in small batches, turning once, about 2 to 3 minutes until crisp, and set with a deep red exterior. Drain on paper towels, maintain 350 degrees F between batches, and avoid overcrowding so each churro fries evenly and stays hollow inside. While churros are still warm, toss them in a coating made from 1/2 cup granulated sugar mixed with 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon so the sugar adheres. For a richer finish, whisk 4 ounces softened cream cheese with 1/2 cup powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons milk, and 1/2 teaspoon vanilla until smooth. Warm slightly and drizzle or serve as a dip. Plate churros immediately and offer 3 ounces melted dark chocolate or the cream cheese glaze for dipping so guests enjoy the contrast between the crisp exterior and tender, slightly cakey interior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.